Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of 80 words per minute and is pertained to Andhra Pradesh, and the examination held was in the month of March 2024. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me very great pleasure to be here at this function this evening for the presentation of the National Tourism Awards, which have been given for success in various areas of the tourism sector. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate the award winners, and I am sure that all of you will continue with your efforts to make this industry more active. I am very glad that the Ministry of Tourism has also been introducing additional awards every year in order to promote tourism as much as possible. Now, as you all know, over the years, the volume of tourism has increased to a great extent in all parts of the country. There are some countries where the number of foreign tourists is higher than the local population. There are other countries where they are largely dependent on tourism for the purpose of revenue. As a matter of fact, tourism plays a great role in the economic development of a country. I would like to say that the great advantage of the tourism sector is that it is able to create employment opportunities for all kinds of people in various sectors of work. I am sure you will agree that tourism industry creates more and more employment opportunities with less investment. At the same time, I am very glad to say that in recent years, Indian tourism has seen the introduction of many new areas. I hope you will agree that there is a growing interest all over the world, not only in Indian medicine, but also in visiting spiritual places. I am sure that this development will help the growth of the tourism sector in India in many ways. Now it is a matter of great pride and joy that the World Tourism Board has made India an attractive tourist spot. In this connection, I would like to express my sincere hope that we will continue to be so in the coming years also. In the present circumstances, it is essential that the tourist places are well connected by rail, road, and air. At the same time, it is also essential that there should be accommodation facilities for the tourists at reasonable rates. At this, I would like to stress that the hotel industry must look at the needs and requirements of different types of tourists and see that they provide quality services. Dear sirs, we are sorry for the delay in the delivery of goods. Because of sudden changes in weather, our customers have brought pressure for immediate delivery. Though we worked day and night, we could not meet the demand immediately. We can understand your need to receive goods on time and sell them quickly. We have dispatched goods to you today with great effort. For this purpose, we had to keep aside orders of others which were placed before you. We need not mention that your orders will always receive our most careful and prompt attention. We hope and trust you will be satisfied with our reply. We request you to clear our bill as early as possible through online payment. We wish to state that we have never failed in delivering the goods on time earlier, expecting many more orders from you, thanking you and awaiting to serve you at all times in the best possible manner. Yours faithfully,